Hi everyone. Right, take two. Another relatively simple tag. This time I need plain white because I want to add my own colour to it. So I need to, same principle. She, like the first one, talking point of the class, which is always a good thing, and like the way she could write on the back. So I really must get one of those little desktop cutters. You know, the little slidey things. Oh, that's straight. Right, let's have a look before I actually put it together. That's fine, I can trim that off after. So, white paper. My scrap paper. These are scrap papers that I've got underneath. They're I do a lot of printing, and it's yeah, it doesn't work half the time. Right, what we got here? I quite like this colour. Campso Teal ink spray. Haven't long had it. Have been playing. Have covered everything. I think that should do it. Shake that around. Right, I am going to give this a quick blast to dry it, and then I'll be right back. I thought about this one, and I really like these colours. Sorry about this. Still sitting in my bowl from yesterday. Now I'm thinking geometric. Actually, I'm thinking holiday, because we were away last week. Our young ladies were out. Let's turn that over. Our young ladies were away on a PGL. And then once the younger one realised what PGL actually meant, killed herself laughing. PGL as in parents get lost. Oh, come on. Gotcha. Which she thought was highly amusing and didn't realise she could say. Which, as we pointed out, no, ordinarily you can't. But this one time, yeah, you got permission. And then I think we'll have some of this corner. Yeah. So yeah, I'm thinking holidays. I have so many postcards. And parking tickets. How many parking tickets? We went to Cornwall. And everywhere we went, it was very expensive. I think is the nicest way of putting it, to park. Oh, I like that. It's always good when you can, when it works. Somebody asked me, how do you, baby wipes, how do you, you keep doing it? And I say, because you never see the bad ones. Ooh, the heat when that hits smells wonderful. Right, now then, holidays. I sorted out some, I don't really think Somerset counts as Egypt, but you never know. I did actually, this is one I found, a little something I'd fussy cut out earlier from something else, except I don't like that bit. Oops. These are brilliant little scissors. Fiskars, easy action. And for somebody like me that's got dodgy fingers, it's wonderful. So if I cut that out, ooh, I don't know. How about, well, that might look quite nice actually. Right, let's cut out not the ship. Don't worry, I will straighten the heads up after. That wasn't very straight. Where am I going to? There, methinks. Oh, don't you just love straight bits when you're fussy cutting? So look, the head survived. 3 little sanders. Now then, can I save? Ooh. I have been known to lose my patience with this, and it doesn't quite make it. Now, I don't think we need all that. So I just follow some of the cobblestones. And then maybe follow it up. Oh, it's even got a touch of blue in it as well. And then that could go in there. Doesn't stand out very well though, does it? So I think, oh, here's one I forgot to wash earlier. Oh, now that's a nice shade of blue. Who needs to get a scraper when you've got a dried out brush? Oops. Let's get rid of some of that. So what we're thinking about a bit more. I think that's going to need decisions. With the amount of gesso I'm putting on here, I could almost be water. Have we got enough? A bit higher. Nearly done. Dab it on. Oh, right, so let's just smooth out the edges a bit. Give this a quick blast. Uh-oh. One of our men is wearing. Looks like he's got a veil on. Okay, right. Let's just give that a quick. See if we can make him brown. Sorted. There we go. Nothing is ever lost. Right. Not sure if any glue will stick to this, but we'll give it a go. I do get so carried away with this, so I do apologise if I go off camera. I'm also not very good at talking and concentrating, which is probably why I get every single video I get a thumbs down. So I do apologise if that's the reason. Right, let's put our sailors on their blue background. Oh yeah. Oh, I am liking that contrast. Yep. Right, it looks a bit empty. Ooh. Yeah, that could go on, I suppose. A bit of cloud in the sky. Fiddly stuff. First aid course we have to do as foster carers. You have to do a refresher, like you do your full one, then you have to do the refresher every year. And the one year we had to take the youngest one with us, and she just sat in the corner and killed herself, laughing at Ian and myself, trying to give each other CPR in a sort of pretend type of way. That's not enough there. Yeah, she thought it was very funny. What are you doing to her, Zoe? Well, mush it up a bit. I think we'll follow the line of the drawing. So if I just put glue in there. I want it to go to the edge. I don't want it to hang over the edge too much. Right, now this is where my messy fingers stick to everything and pull it up. Oh, I like that. It gives a bit of contrast. Now I bought some of these, it's coming up, some of these words, Tim Holtz clipping stickers. They're tiny. Some of these are tiny. What have we got? Oh, there's one for her. This is what I am always telling her. Challenge the world. So that's one. That's two. Oh, think it's come down a bit too far. Challenge. The world. So that's wonky and that'll drive me mad. Everything else I like to do with, but I can't cope if my words are off. Oh, brilliant. Loving that. Oops. Sticking pins everywhere. Let's glue this on. You know you've had a long day when you can't find the end of your glue stick. Oops. And this, because me and Modge Podge, we just don't get on at all. It soaks my work. I can't control the stuff. So let's see if we can line this one up a little better than the other one I did. Sticky fingers. Hey, I didn't want to go around this one with a distressing. Let's just put lids on everything before I forget. I thought this one would be a little more dramatic, so my trusty black pen, well, pseudo black. I actually thought that was black. I never realised it was burnt umber. Shows how much I know. And smudge it in. Yeah, I like that. These pastel pencils are what I had when I used to do portraits, pet portraits. Ooh, okay. No. And this just adds a bit of dimension, if you like, without the actual dimension. Bit of shadow, perhaps. That's the word I'm looking for, a bit of shadow. Yeah, I'm liking that. So there we go. Tag number 2. I hope you can see that. Challenge the world. If I put my thumb against it, you can see these are actually some of the larger words. They are quite tiny. Never mind, you live and learn. I will find a use for them. Right, I hope you've enjoyed watching. I hope it's given you some ideas. You take care now. Bye.